Hello, crypto world. Wednesday, stock market just closed, and it's an incredibly wild and important day in crypto and stocks. But before we get there, let's address the TikTok ban, which many were hoping and many pundits expected the Supreme Court to make a ruling today at 3 o'clock on the East Coast time, where it had made many other decisions, but it didn't address the TikTok issue. So, as it stands now, the ban is going into effect on Sunday. So, please click the link on YouTube in my profile and we can still have our interaction on YouTube. Okay, Dow Jones was up 700 points. The S&P was up almost 2%, and the Nasdaq was up almost 3%, and that's a tech-heavy index. And even the Russell 2000 was up. This was because of the CPI being better than expected. And look what happened in crypto land. Crypto was so strong, and Bitcoin did trade above 100,000. It backed off a little bit, but still, it's remarkable. And then we have XRP knocking hard on the door of $3, and I think it actually traded above there. Now, I want to give you something to think about in the relative short term. We all now know the interest rate story. It can't get better than it is now, and that's where it stands. But what do we have that's going to affect crypto that's going to happen in the short term? It's the Trump administration. It's Donald Trump speaking in front of the crypto party on Friday. So, I am going to ask you to think about a question if you're a short term trader. If you want to trade for just a short time and you're expecting something Trump is going to say is going to affect things, the two that are most important at the moment, we have to say, are XRP and obviously Bitcoin. What is the probability that anything that Trump says or does in the next, I'm saying, 2 weeks, month, next couple of days, in the short term, would take XRP up 100% to $6? What is there that Trump could say or do in the next short term or the next 30 days or weeks or whatever, take this up to 200,000? And the answer really strikes me as it's self-evident. Bitcoin has the potential to be declared part of a national reserve, in which case it's melting up. And XRP, this is not against XRP. I'm just talking about relative movement. And in the next short-term period, it looks to me like you have to make that kind of analysis of which has the greater move if you're going to be a short-term trader and trade one of the high caps. Anyway, let's hope that the ban is stopped and the Supreme Court does make a decision, but it doesn't look like they're going to. It's all I can say.